Here are my top 5 Amazon items to save you tons of money on your house flip. What's up, guys? My name is Brian Tran. I've been flipping real estate here in the San Francisco Bay Area since 2018 and never took one single L. And so I want to go over some of the do's and the don'ts of buying materials, and especially buying from Amazon. I absolutely love buying finished materials from Amazon. The reason why is I can actually just look at all the different options, find out which one's the cheapest and the highest quality. So I just click it, add it to my cart, and I can have it shipped directly to the job site. The beautiful thing with Amazon is that, you got options at your fingertip, you got the lowest price, and it's gonna be shipped directly to the job site, saving you tons and tons of time. Product number 1, Probico door handles, black, modern. So you can go to Home Depot and you can buy the quick set version or one of the other name brands, but I think they're gonna run you about $25 to $30 a handle. Whereas on Amazon, you can buy this same product 10 for $166. So it comes up to about $16 per handle. I'm saving $10 per handle, and that, in a home where there's probably 10, 15 doors, I'm saving almost $10 per door. That's $100 right there. And honestly, we're not flipping super high-end homes. And so when I am doing like a $3 million, a $4 million, or a $5 million flip, those will require me to use name brand things. But like, for example, we just finished a flip right here in Antioch, California. That's a $500,000, $600,000 neighborhood. Whether I put a quick set in or a Probico, nobody's gonna really care. They just wanna know that it locks, it feels good, it feels sturdy, it's black, and it's modern. That's all that it cares. And so, you can imagine we're flipping anywhere from 10 to 12 properties a year, right? And so if I were to spend, the name brand stuff on every single one of those flips, it quickly adds up and it costs me a few $1,000s. But by going with this brand, buying it on Amazon, I'm saving that money, but also, again, going back, emphasizing on time, because project managing these projects take up a lot of time, and that's where the money's at, right? By ordering it on Amazon, I can have it shipped directly to the job site. And guys, these black handles completely change the whole look of the home. It makes it, takes an old home from this little dusty, rusty place to a nice, modern, elegant home. And that's why I love these handles. I use them in almost every single one of our flips. They feel good, they look good, and they completely change the look of the entire home. And as you know, if it makes the home look nicer, you're gonna make more money. The second product that we buy off Amazon that saves us a ton of money is the NicTie vanity faucet. These are $24.99, and to be honest with you, they should be worth a lot more because they feel super sturdy. The black is nice, it doesn't fade over time. I've actually have some of these in my current rental properties now, and so I'm seeing them being used and abused, and they still show up looking really good. And so you can go and buy something double or triple the price, but at the same time, this product looks good, feels good, performs well. Why pay more? And so, honestly, when we're flipping properties or buying them for our rental properties, the goal is to find a good product and save money. I highly recommend it. Product number 3 is the Azdel black front door handles. Now, this thing completely changes the look of the home. It makes the old house feel like a modern $1 million home. It's black, it matches everything else, it's sturdy, and it locks pretty well in my opinion, and it's a third of the cost. Highly recommend it. Product number 4 is the Hyco Liddy bedroom lights. Now, these are 2 for $43. This is really cheap. I like how it's black, it's modern, and it's actually pretty bright. And when we're not putting recessed lighting in the home, this is what we put into it. It does look really good. It matches the rest of the black fixtures we put in. Highly recommend it. And number 5 is the Ravinte black cabinet pools. And this one is a game changer because they feel really good. They're really heavy because the weight actually matters when it comes to the kitchen pool. Because when somebody pulls it, if it feels cheap, it's gonna make the whole thing feel cheap. These don't feel like that. They're great. And again, the black is perfect. It matches all the other black stuff that we put into the home. And you're saving a ton of money by ordering it on Amazon. Highly recommend it. Check this out, guys. When it comes to flipping properties and buying things for your rental properties, it does matter what you put into it. You need the highest quality for the best price. And so oftentimes I see people would buy the most expensive product thinking that expensiveness is what equals the quality. That's not necessarily true, and ultimately you're just gonna be spending a lot of money and eating into your own pocket. Now, do I recommend these products when it comes to your own personal home? And I truly think the answer is still yes, But maybe you want to do a little bit more research, look at the comments a little bit deeper. But for flipping and for your rentals, these products work exceptionally well. I recommend them. And look, all I'm saying is Amazon is a very good spot to go and look for some of your building supplies, your finished materials, right? Like, you don't have to go to like a specialized store or a big box chain to like buy these things. Check out Amazon first, and you'll be very surprised as to the quality and the amount of money you're about to spend. And with that being said, guys, I appreciate you watching this. Again, if you want to see some of the products that I buy, I'm going to include a bunch of links down in the description box. These are products that I actually use and I put into our flips, and they do very well. And so with that being said, peace.